Mhm. It looks like we are in the mainstream here. All right, we live. I see myself on Facebook. I see us on Facebook.
Okay, I'm gonna share it.
Good to go. You can go ahead and share it. Go let Facebook do its thing. Bring some people on. And guys, we're going to talk to you today um, about a very exciting system. We're going to call it a system now, not an indicator. It's a system. And there's a reason that we're going to call it a system. Okay, so you're going to hear about that in a little bit. But if you're coming on, what time is this? East Coast. We got a lot of East Coast folks. So it's 4:41 East Coast, 3:41 Central Standard Time. A lot of people getting off work. A lot of people probably at home. School is in, right? Is school in?
Homeschool for us, but yeah, it's
Homeschool.
in.
So a lot of people at home. A lot of people's at home.
Yes,
You know,
yes.
just hey, that's what it is. What's up, Mary? What's up, John? Guys, we're going to talk to you today about a system, keyword, that is going to help you make passive income. So if you're ready to hear what we have for you, you're ready to learn what it can do for you, go ahead and drop up some hearts. Let us know that you are ready to see this thing. The title of this live, and I meticulously titled it this way because there are some things out in the Forex space, in the Forex trading space, that doesn't match up with what we have. Okay, let me just say it like that. So this is the real holy grail indicator or system, and you've heard it before. Always imitated, never duplicated. So let me just say this before we get into this, guys. If you try to get this indicator, this system somewhere else online, guess what? You're not going to find it. It may look similar, and it may say, certain things on it similar, but guess what? It's not the same thing. Okay, so do not go outside of what we have here because you're not going to find it. This is a special system that we have, that Misty and I have, just for the people that come to us. Okay, all the bells and whistles. So if you're trading Forex, congratulations, you come to the right place. If you're not trading Forex, congratulations, you come to the right place. You need to be trading Forex, guys. Forex trading is life-changing, okay? A lot of times, what I believe, Misty, is people don't take that leap of faith in Forex because they don't understand it. They think it's another foreign language, which it is another foreign language, but you learn the basics of this thing, in the Holy Grail system is going to help you become more comfortable with your trading, okay, along with our help. So, Misty, I'll go ahead and let you break down what this system is.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Yeah, go ahead. What it can do for not only the seasoned trader and the intermediate or beginner trader, but what can it do for them long term? Okay, that's what everybody wants. They don't want just a quick fix. What can it do for them long term? Yeah, guys, it is a beautiful indicator, beautiful system. Before you answer that question, Misty, tell everyone why this cannot be duplicated. What's in this system?
This cannot be duplicated because this is not just an indicator, guys. There's a lot of things running in this background. It's very simple to use, but running in the background, it is very complicated, okay? You're going to get 17 indicators that work in synchronization with each other to tell you different things. This is not something that you can just go on the internet and download. This is something that, we have worked with programmers and master traders to actually come up with this system. This is all of these indicators working together. Okay, this is 3 different templates. Okay, it is a complete system that works together. And guys, it is so easy. Just a few minutes ago, we had an alert pop up, as you see on my screen right here. It's telling you that, you know, AUD, NZD, on the 30-minute was a super trend sale. Then a couple of seconds later, it come and told you that, you know, the AUD, NZD had crossed down. So it's just simple as can be. You get alerts like this, and you can also use it just to watch any pair. But you would come to your chart. I believe I've got that pulled up, and I do. And you see, this works on all these indicators work together. They give you a series of confirmations, okay? A series of confirmations to let you know that it is okay to take this trade, that you actually get, like, you know, ninja precise entries with this. So when you pull up the AUD, NZD, you'll see this is the first confirmation over here that it is in a sale, okay? Sorry, Siri's talking, that it is in a sale. Now, you know, this does work on any time frame. What I like to do is I like to go up to the hour time frame just to confirm, you know, it's selling. Down here on the 30, it's seeing it's still going down, and it's alerting me to that. On the 30-minute, it's still selling. On the 15-minute, it's still selling. Okay, so that's two confirmations right there. One, your alert. Well, yeah, your alert and that it is selling. And two is that it's selling on all these multiple time frames. Okay, so guys, I was y'all and I was a trader, I'd jump in the sale because this is live.
It's live right now. And you said on the 30-minute,
On the 1 hour, 30, 15. So, you know, it's selling on the 5 and 1 too.
Oh, definitely.
These arrows right here, the big ones, these go with the Holy Grail, okay? But what we like to look for is, like, see it's selling. You've got a red arrow pointing down. And these, what these are confirmations that it's still on its way down. Definitely, by the time you get either a Holy Grail or a second red arrow, you should be in it, okay? That's going to be like your third confirmation, okay? Then your fourth confirmation, this down here at the bottom, I love this. This is called the solar wind, okay? When it's green, it is buying, okay? When it turns red, it's selling. So when you're in a period like this where it's been buying and your Holy Grail comes up and tells you that to look out for a sale, when you see this go from green and it flipped to red, that's when you hit the trigger, guys. You hit the trigger, you take the sale, you've got all the confirmations, perfect ninja entry, okay? Now, it's even going to go over here as far as to tell you your, it'll give you a couple of different entries. It'll give you your take profit, 1 and 2. It's going to give you a stop loss. Really, Forex trading for dummies. And let me go back and see if I can find, okay. Do you see, guys, this yellow X? See, it was buying, and it had been buying for a minute, okay? When you guys see this yellow X come up, and eventually, you know, this is going to go down, and eventually it'll reverse. What it's going to do is put that yellow X. When you see that yellow X, that's confirmation to get out of the trade, to secure your profit, to take your bag, to run a trailing stop, whatever you choose to do, guys. This system, it works on any currency pair. It works on any indices. It works on the metals like gold and silver. It works on oil. It works on everything, guys. And if you just plug in, I've got people, well, let me just show you another, this is one template that you get. This is what you would use for all of your currency pairs and your exotics and stuff like that. Well, maybe you like the, you know, the indices. Maybe you like those volatile fast moving pairs, and I'm addicted. I'm just gonna say.
Hey, see, Misty, look at one of my favorite pairs, EJ. Check out EJ.
Okay, let's look at EJ. Let me find it. You know, I'm probably getting blind. There it is. So we're gonna look at EJ.
Looked at the 30-minute. What is it, buying over there, right?
It's about to go into a buy. It looks like it's been selling for a minute, and it's trying. Down here, you can see that pretty much the sale is over. Yep. You need to be securing your bag and working on your exit plan. And right here, you know, it's working on buying. kind of in a like a semi consolidation mode right now. So you would want to wait for the blue arrow and for this to flip. But as soon as you get that blue arrow and this flips to green, well, you need to be buying it.
Yep. And
And
that's
ride it.
and if someone's more risky, they'll get in right now.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because the confirmation is going to give you confirmation. Like Missy said, guys, when this thing starts to curve up, the solar wind at the bottom starts to curve up. Okay, you see it, and you see a blue arrow. That's solid confirmation, especially if you got it buying on all three, at least three time frames. At least 3 time frames: 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, hour, 30, 15. If you're a swing trader, 4 hour, hour, and 30. Okay, simple, guys.
Any time frame. I'm going to show you about the because you get a separate template if you want to trade like oil or crypto or indices. You'll get a separate template just for that. Give me just a second to bring it up.
Last week, I think it was Thursday, I tore gold up on this thing. Boy, gold was showing itself.
Right. So this is the template that you're going to get for your indices pairs. And if you can see, if you had this system, you'd have made some really good money this morning. Especially you would have got a signal to start looking. Did I pull up US 30? You would have got a signal to start looking here, okay? And then you see these little blue lines, oh gosh, that's confirmation. It's going up. When you've seen this flip, you could have got into this buy and you could have rode this all the way up as it busted through every one of these support and resistance lines, up here until the zoom's in my way, up to here till you hit this yellow X. Secure your bag and get out. And with indices, that is a lot of money, guys. That is a lot. That's a 30-minute.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of money right there.
That is a lot of money. So now you see we got that indicator, and y'all can watch if y'all are traders. You're gonna wish you had this. You see the Holy Grail's telling you that it's trying to go down. So of course, what we would do, we would wait for another red arrow, and we would wait for this solar wind to flip to red. Pull the trigger and ride it back down.
Right there. Resistance at the top.
It is about to fall from the sky.
And that's a good trade. I'll have to look at that one. That's a good setup right there.
I'm telling you, y'all need to get with us. And the thing is that Ontarian and I, we don't just like sell you some software and tell you to figure it out. Okay, we do trainings on the software every week, but we also have a trading group, okay, and it's not MLM. You don't have to refer anybody, but we just want to nobody left behind. If you want to learn this skill set, guys, we are here to help you Monday through Friday night, every single night at 7 p.m. Either myself or one of our management team, we are teaching the Forex. We teach basics, we teach the fundamentals, we teach technical analysis, and we teach you a strategy if you want to day trade, okay? That and currently right now we have a challenge going on where we're showing you how to flip $300 trading accounts to $100,000 trading accounts in a 6-month period, just compounding 5% daily. We have signals from a master trader in South Africa. She's a beast. She knows her stuff. She's been doing this for 7 years now. And I trade with you guys right now because of the challenge. It's London, but I'm up every single night with you guys in the chat room. We're trading London. We're catching hella pips every week. Pardon my French, but and I'll show you something else. I've got people, with this software that doesn't even know how to trade, doesn't even know how to read a chart. And they are catching thousands of pips a day. I had a woman, she caught 5,400 pips the other day. And I kid you not, she messaged me and asked me what a pip was. I was like,
wow. You see, they're going off of confluence, the confirmations in the system, which is amazing.
Yeah, I'm about to show you guys some. I am so proud of everybody because
That's
you know
amazing.
they're earning while they're learning, but guys, they're getting it. So give me just a second. I'm gonna pull up some of our
Show them
get
results.
proof.
Documentation beats
Yeah,
compensation, folks.
I know, right?
Documentation beats conversation. You know,
Hmm.
we're not going to get on here and tell you something that's not going to help you. You know, this is what it's all about, guys. We got to help each other here. Trading is something that on its own, you know, if you just have nothing, because you know, indicators is great. You know, having things like this makes it a lot easier. You know, you got a lot of different traders out there. You got traders that trade the naked charts. That can be difficult if you're new. But think about what
Hmm.
Missy just said. You got people coming in here that don't even know what a pip is, and they're making money. Okay,
Big
following
time money.
simple rules,
Sorry,
guys. All right, and using it.
I am. Oh, there it goes. My computer's running slow.
That's what it's all about.
I'm just gonna give you well, that's not the pictures that I'm. Give me just a second. Mm.
Got some people tuning in here. What's up, everyone? Who's all? Everyone that's tuning in. Who's all trading? Who are my traders? Go ahead and comment below that I'm. You know, if you're trading, let us know who you
Okay,
are. Let us know who you are. I
here we
see.
go, guys.
I see you, Thomas. What's up, man? I see you.
See, we've got right here 4,800 pips with Coach Misty. You know, 1,310. I don't know. I can't read that, but it looks like about 800 or 900.
Are you seeing the screen, Misty?
Hi, is it not shared?
It's not. I don't. We don't see it.
I got you. Hold on.
All right.
Good. I'm glad y'all didn't see when I was fumbling. Okay. So, see, can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, like right here, we've got like 4,800 pips, 1,300 pips. I think this was like 800 pips. Probably another 800 or 900 pips. 1,200, 1,100, 2,600, another 600, about 2,100. I mean, the results speak for themselves, guys.
I see the results
We
all the time in the group. I see it every single day.
every day 1,100. It's just crazy, and it's just a blessing. 1,600, another 900, the 1,700. It's just crazy, guys. The amount of pips we're catching and the amount of money that our team is making.
So, Misty, if you could give what would be a disclaimer here? What would be a disclaimer for those who are looking at this when it comes to
Of
trade?
course, Forex is risky. Trade at your own risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, but definitely plug in with a team that is winning, that knows what they're doing, and actually cares about your success, cares that you get it, that when we're teaching the classes, if you don't understand what we're teaching, we're not going to move on without you. Nobody is left behind with us, guys. Nobody is left behind. And if you need extra help, you can definitely get it with us. And we are working on it in another probably 2 weeks. Our management team, we're going to have a 24-hour live trade room where, you know, no matter what session you want to trade, you'll be able to log into our live trading room and be trading with some master traders. Just really big stuff. Really, I tried to think about, you know, when I was first learning this, what did I really need that I didn't get, or what would have helped me the most? And that's, you know, pretty much what we're doing here.
That's right. That's right. And we got people coming in all the time, guys. We have people from all walks of life, okay, coming in here, and they're ecstatic. They're loving it. They're making money. It's passive income. That's the main thing. It is passive income, guys. You don't have to worry about recruiting or anything like that. Okay, come in here, learn this skill, which we're going to help you to do that. Okay. And again, in the next 2 weeks, we're going to have a 24-hour trading room to where you can come in here and you know, take trades with us. Okay. That's priceless in itself. Okay. So let me just let you guys know what you're getting on top of this system. Okay. When you get this system, you're going to get training every single day. You got support. You got the camaraderie, the mastermind of everybody else with the same mindset winning. Okay, that's going to increase your confidence. That's going to increase your motivation. That's going to inspire you. Okay, to keep going. The next thing is you're going to get not only the training, okay, the system, but we're going to actually install this for you. All right. So we're pretty much giving you the keys to the kingdom, so to speak, in Forex. Okay. We're giving you the secret sauce, the type of stuff that other professional traders is like, why are you giving them the sauce? Why are you giving them the goods? Okay.
Why are you keeping it for yourself?
Hey, it's enough to go around for everybody.
There is more than enough.
We're not stingy here. Okay. Now we can keep this to ourselves and say, you know what, we're just gonna use this thing by ourselves and not share it. Well, how selfish is that? That's selfish.
Very selfish.
That's selfish. So
Very
we're
selfish.
here because we want to share this with you guys. All right.
Yes.
The system, I've used it. You guys have seen me do videos on it. Missy's done videos on it. We have people in the community and in the group, you know, using these systems. They work. Okay. And she's showing you countless proof here that it does work. And again, I want to reemphasize that there is no other Holy Grail out there. This is I named the title again, the real Holy Grail. This is not the fake Holy Grail. This is not an imitation.
This is not something you can go Google on the internet and download and buy. This is something that you can is only available through Ontarian and myself. You're not going to find this anywhere else.
Nowhere else.
You'll be wasting your money.
Nowhere else. So what we're going to do, guys, for those of you who want this, go ahead and get in our inbox. Last time we opened this up to quite a few people, and we had some people come in and get the indicator, and now they're trading with us. So I'll say about the next 10 people that get with us right away, okay, to get started with this, we're going to help you get set up right away. You're going to get into our training group, okay, and we're going to get you on your way in a very, very fast manner, okay. So the next 10 people that get with us, we're going to help you get started. All right. So does anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any questions that's tuning in here on Facebook? Lamani, how do I get this? How do I do this? Lamani, do me a favor, sir. Go ahead and message me when you get a chance, or I'll message you and we'll get you started, my friend. Mary, I will get with you as well. I will get with you as well. All right. Any questions? Any other questions? Any other questions? All right. I think that's about it.
Perfect day to get started. We start tonight with Forex Basics. So my name's Coach Misty. Y'all will be seeing a lot of me. We'll be working close together, and I'll see you guys on the inside.
All right. We'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Take care.